Love is nature's garden, filled with hard work and easy fun play, tilling the soil on the soul, slowly, desperately out of control. The bliss of love, the bliss of the garden are twined together with the seasons of nature. Love is nature's garden, where we plant the seeds of hope, where we till the weeds of issues. Love is nature's garden, where we draw sustenance and inspiration, where we put the sweat of our work deep underneath, where darkness nurtures and the desire for light comes to the seed, and we sprout, and against all insecurity, it blooms forth. Love is nature's garden, giving us the food for the heart, sustenance for the soul, tilling the furrows of the heart deep, rooting out the weeds of insecurity to bring the food for the heart. Love is nature's garden.